Do you know how to describe your whole day in English? Today, we'll go from breakfast to bedtime, showing real routines, simple words, and fun phrases you can use every day. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Speak Anglo, where learning English is fun and easy. I'm Kendall.
And I'm Riley. We're so happy you're here today.
Before we dive in, if you enjoy this video, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to Speak Anglo. It really helps us bring you more fun English lessons.
Yes, and share this video with a friend who's learning English. It's more fun when you learn together.
Now, let's start with a question. Are you a morning person or do you hate mornings?
I hate mornings. Snooze button forever.
Great. Let's see how a real day begins. Mornings, coffee, breakfast, and everything in between. I normally wake up at 5:30. First thing I do is go for a quick jog around the neighborhood. I love starting my day with fresh air, listening to birds, and feeling the calm streets.
5:30? That's crazy. I hit snooze at least 3 times, and I usually scroll my phone before even getting out of bed.
That's okay. Everyone has a different morning routine. The important thing is to start your day in a way that works best for you.
Breakfast? Do you eat before your jog?
No, I eat after. I usually have something quick and healthy. Oatmeal or eggs. Gives me energy for the rest of the day.
I just grab toast and a banana, or sometimes just coffee. That keeps me going too.
Coffee is important, but breakfast really helps you keep energy through the morning.
True. Coffee first, banana or toast after. That's my routine.
After my jog, I take a warm shower. It wakes me up even more and helps me feel ready for the day.
Ah, now that makes sense. I would be exhausted if I ran before breakfast.
Then I get dressed. I usually pick my outfit the night before, so I don't waste time thinking in the morning.
I always stare at my closet for a few minutes thinking, what should I wear? But I try to keep it simple.
Exactly. Simple choices save time. A shirt, pants, and you're ready.
After that, I pack my bag for work and grab my lunch if I brought one. Sometimes I also check messages or the news.
I do that too, and I always check the weather. Helps me know if I need a jacket or umbrella.
Right, that little step is very useful. I've learned that the hard way. Got soaked once.
Finally, I grab my keys, coffee in hand, and I'm ready to head out. That's my morning.
Sounds productive. I think I need to plan my mornings better. Maybe not as early as 5:30 though.
No worries. Everyone finds their own pace. Speaking of heading out, let's talk about getting to work, the commute part of our day.
I still can't believe you get up at 5:30 and go for a jog. You're a superhero, Kendall.
Maybe, but once you start moving, the morning feels amazing. I love feeling the fresh air on my face, hearing the birds, and seeing the quiet streets. It's a peaceful way to start the day.
I guess that makes sense. I wouldn't survive a 5:30 jog. I'm still hitting snooze at 6:30 and scrolling my phone.
That's okay. Everyone has their own pace. Now, let's get to the commute part of our day. I normally ride my bike to work. It's fast, I get some exercise, and I love noticing the little things along the way. People walking their dogs, the sunrise, or even just the quiet streets before the city wakes up.
That does sound really nice. I take the bus. It's crowded sometimes, but I bring headphones and listen to music or a podcast. I also like looking out the window. You can see people rushing, cars moving, or sometimes even a street performer. It makes the ride a little more fun.
Some people work from home too. How about you?
Not yet. Maybe one day. But for now, the bus is my daily routine. I also like checking short news articles or reading a chapter from a story. It makes the time go by faster.
That's smart. I also notice the little things on my bike ride. I can hear the birds, see people walking, or spot a bakery that's just opening. Small things like that make commuting more enjoyable.
I like that idea. Even though the bus can be crowded and noisy, I try to notice something small too. Maybe a flower shop, a funny billboard, or someone walking their dog. It makes the morning more interesting.
Exactly. Both ways have their benefits. Biking gives me exercise and fresh air, and the bus gives you time to relax, listen, and catch up on things.
Yes, and even little habits during the commute, music, reading, watching the sunrise, make it feel part of our daily routine instead of just getting from A to B.
That's right. The commute can be a good start to the day depending on how you do it. I always feel ready to work after my ride, and you feel entertained and relaxed on the bus.
Exactly. Everyone has their style, and that's what makes daily routines fun and unique. Speaking of starting the day, let's see what our mornings look like at work. Emails, meetings, and maybe even a little lunch.
Finally, we arrive at work. The first thing I do is check emails, talk to clients, and attend meetings. It keeps me busy all morning. I like to start with the most important tasks so I don't feel rushed later.
Same here. My mornings are always full of tasks. Emails, phone calls, and sometimes urgent messages pop up. It feels like there's always so much to do before lunch.
Lunch is really important. It's the break that gives you energy for the rest of the day. I always try to step away from my desk for at least 10 minutes, even if it's just to walk to the kitchen or the cafe.
Absolutely. I usually bring a sandwich from home. Quick, easy, and cheap. Sometimes I pack fruit or yogurt too. It helps me stay focused.
I like to go to a small cafe near my office. I walk 10 minutes to get some fresh air before eating. Watching people, feeling the sun on my face, it's a little moment of calm in the busy day.
That sounds relaxing. I sometimes wish I could go outside too, but the busyness keeps me at my desk. Maybe I should try a short walk as well.
Afternoons can be tricky. Around 3 p.m., I sometimes feel sleepy. That's when a little refresh helps. A stretch, a sip of tea, or a quick walk.
Yes, that's exactly when I reach for coffee or snacks. Usually something sweet, but maybe I should try your idea of green tea and fruit.
I usually drink green tea and have a small snack, like an apple, nuts, or a granola bar. It keeps me awake without feeling heavy or sleepy.
I need to try that. I usually just grab another cookie, not the healthiest choice.
Well, sometimes a cookie is okay. Balance is the key. It's all about making little choices every day.
After lunch, it's usually meetings, emails, and planning for the next day. I also check in with my team to see if anyone needs help. Work goes by faster when you stay focused and organized.
Exactly. I like to finish my main tasks before the afternoon really drags. That way, I can leave on time and not feel stressed. Sometimes I also take 2 minutes to tidy my desk or refill my water. Small routines that make a big difference.
I do the same, and I try to chat with colleagues for a few minutes. It's nice to connect, and it makes work feel less tiring.
That's important too. Even a short conversation or a laugh with a coworker can brighten the afternoon.
By 5 p.m., I feel ready to leave. Sometimes I'm exhausted, but other times I feel satisfied that I completed my tasks.
Yes, that feeling of finishing the day well makes the commute back home more enjoyable. By the time work is done, I'm ready to move. After work, I normally go to the gym or do Muay Thai training. It keeps me active and clears my mind after a busy day.
Still shocking. You're a fighter now?
Maybe, mostly just training to stay fit. Sometimes I hit the punching bag, sometimes I do strength exercises. It's my way to relax and feel energized.
Wow, that sounds intense. I usually like to take it easy. I meet friends for coffee, or sometimes we go for a short walk in the park. Fresh air and chatting is really relaxing.
That's nice. Everyone has their own way to unwind. Some people play an instrument, draw, or even meditate. Evening time is perfect for hobbies that make you happy.
Yes, sometimes I just stay home and watch a funny series, or I read a book, or listen to a podcast. Quiet time is important too.
Absolutely. Even simple routines like stretching, making a cup of tea, or going for a short walk after work can help you feel refreshed.
Pets are part of my evening too. Walking my dog is one of my favorite parts of the day. He's always excited, and it's a good way to get some light exercise.
That's great. I don't have a dog, but my gym or Muay Thai session is my way to move and recharge. And sometimes I meet friends after training, maybe for coffee or a quick snack.
Evening routines really set the tone for the next day. Relaxing, staying active, or spending time with friends, it all counts.
Exactly. Hobbies, small routines, and connecting with people help us recharge, feel happy, and prepare for the next day. After moving and relaxing a bit, it's time to refuel. Let's talk about dinner, what we eat, and how we prepare it. After a workout or training, I normally cook something healthy for dinner. Pasta, salad, eggs, or sometimes a stir-fry. Quick, simple, and tasty. I like to chop vegetables while listening to music. It's a relaxing little routine.
I usually order food. Sushi, pizza, whatever I feel like that day. Cooking isn't really my thing.
Pizza. You can't go wrong with pizza. But have you ever tried cooking something yourself?
Yes, once I tried making bread. It exploded.
Burnt bread? Come on, Riley. Well, at least you tried. Many people are too afraid to start cooking.
True, cooking can be stressful for me. I'm afraid it won't taste good or I'll make a mess.
I get that. But cooking can also be relaxing. Simple meals like eggs or pasta don't take long, give you energy, and you can experiment a little. I sometimes add spices or cheese just for fun.
Maybe I should try that. Even small steps like a quick pasta could be better than always ordering.
Exactly. Cooking is part of daily life too. A small routine like this can make your evenings more enjoyable and healthy.
Okay, maybe next week I'll try cooking one evening. Hopefully no explosions this time.
Even small failures are part of learning. That's how routines get better over time. Weekdays are structured and busy. Work, meetings, errands, and daily routines. They keep us active, but sometimes a little stressful.
Weekends are different for me. I sleep a little later, meet friends for coffee, go for a walk in the park, or do hobbies I don't have time for during the week.
I still wake up early on weekends, but I take it slower. I might go for a jog, enjoy breakfast, and spend more time reading or relaxing. It's the same routine, but at a slower pace.
Me too. The weekend is when I recharge. I can do hobbies, play music, watch shows, or spend time outside. It makes Monday feel easier when I'm rested.
So, even daily routines can change depending on the day. Weekdays are for structure, weekends are for freedom. Both are part of a balanced life. Now it's your turn. Are you a morning person like me or a night person like Riley?
Tell us in the comments. We'd love to know your daily routines too. Your mornings, workday, hobbies, and evening habits.
And if you enjoyed today's daily life chat, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Speak Anglo, and share this video with a friend learning English. Every day is a chance to practice and improve.
Exactly. Small routines, daily habits, and little hobbies make learning English fun and part of your life.
Thanks for spending the day with us. See you in the next video.
Bye everyone. Have a great day or evening wherever you are.